In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales order in QuickBooks Online. First things first, let's open the QuickBooks website to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a variety of options that QuickBooks offers to make accounting as seamless as possible. Our job today is to focus on creating a sales order, but to do that effectively, we need to ensure everything in our accounting setup is in good shape. So, we're going to start by clicking on the More tab found in the navigation menu. By doing this, you'll expand your menu options, giving you quicker access to some deeper features of QuickBooks. Next, select Accounting. This is our command center for managing financial data and transactions. Since good data management is the backbone of any smooth accounting process, click on Chart of Accounts. Here, you will find the list of all accounts available for you, which is incredibly useful for organizing and managing your business's financial landscape. Review and manage your accounts, making any necessary updates or changes. Once this is all set and you're satisfied with your accounts being in order, we can move on to the next step. Now, let's get back to our sales order process. Next, click on My Apps. Here, you have the option to enhance your QuickBooks capabilities by integrating it with other applications. After exploring some apps that fit your business needs, select Sales and Get Paid. This essential feature doesn't just help with getting your invoices out, it actually encompasses the entire sales process, perfect for ensuring that you stay on top of your sales. From there, select Product and Services. This feature is critical, especially if you are handling inventory or if you require detailed sales reporting. It's the place where you define all the goods and services your business offers. Now click on Create Items. Get ready to enter all the relevant details. This is where you input the specifics of the products or services you're selling, from descriptions and prices to product IDs. Be as detailed as possible because accurate data here means fewer headaches later when it comes to management and reporting. As you input information, take your time to double-check everything. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, it's time to conclude this part of the process by clicking Save and Close. This action will record the new items into your inventory or service list, making them available for any sales orders you process moving forward. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've effectively learned how to set up everything you need to create a sales order in QuickBooks Online. You've ensured that your accounts are managed correctly, your products and services are defined, and you're ready to tackle your sales like a pro. Thanks for watching and happy selling.